So here's a quick update on where my progress is so far. The first one I had right here, going really tiny holes. I ended up getting an issue with a lot of pitting on the back that started to warp. This was a little jig that I used, made out of aluminum. I should be using steel so it doesn't flop out, but what are you gonna do? This is the latest one. I got a really good, really nice cut. I found the larger circles, ended up using the cutting edge of the bit so that it actually didn't dimple the actual thin rotor. These are 0.009 inches thick. We'll be using spacers, and there will be 12 of these pin rods around for additional torque, because these won't be press fit to the rod, but the side plates will. Soon to be doing this large stack. I'm not sure if I want to do a whole thing at once or half and half. It seems to be pretty repeatable, but yeah, that's where we're at. Packed in real hard on that one side.